It was another day on the island of Sodor, and all the engines were resting at tin sheds. "Hey Thomas, I don't know if I ever told you this, but you suck," said Gordon. Thomas became offended. "Well, you know what, Gordon? You're stupid." "You know what? Let's have a race and find out who's better." How's a race gonna help with our intelligence? You know what? Let's just go. Okay, whatever. Both engines were on their separate tracks and ready to race. "God, those two are so retarded," said James. "I know, right?" said Percy. "On your mark, get set, go!" Hum-dee-dum-dee-dum, just walking along, and oh, hello, Tom. Oh. "Ha! You're never gonna beat me, Thomas." "Yeah, I will, you stupid idiot." But the two didn't realize that there was obstacles up ahead. Gordon didn't see, but there was a pile of crates in the middle of his line. Ah! And he crashed. "Ha! You idiot!" Ah! Both engines crashed off the tracks, both Thomas and Gordon, and no one was declared a winner. And the worst part was that Sir Topham Hatt died. The end.